I get up. Because I know God. With this Christian rapping, I look up, I'ma go far. Father, I ain't never gon' cold for you, I'm on fire. I don't care about no worldly status, this is real life. I got tired of mixing Sprite, cause this ain't Bill Nye. If you don't look up, then you gon' die, so I'm gon' stay on fire. I like the guy, I didn't know that demons camouflage, that's just how it is. Sometimes, I know that I'm gon' win, it's in my bloodline. My OG said, boy, don't stop, hey, Christian rapping worldwide. God, I would've died if you ain't never came and got me. I keep my head high, I tell myself I'm going in. I don't kick my feet high, cause I know I need some. Then I didn't know right, I told myself I needed love. I finally gave my life to God, and I got tired of me. So I don't need a brother, I don't need none. It's just like been away, this crisis is what I'm leaning on. I was out there on my lonely when you came and found me. If it don't help me, I'm gon' say goodbye. If around me, I fall down on my back, I get up. Because I know God. With this Christian rapping, I look up, I'ma go far. Father, I ain't never gon' cold for you, I'm on fire. I don't care about no worldly status, this is real life. I got tired of mixing Sprite, cause this ain't Bill Nye. If you don't look up, then you gon' die, so I'm gon' stay on fire. I like the guy, I didn't know that demons camouflage, that's just how it is. Sometimes, I know that I'm gon' win, it's in my bloodline. No, I got my OG said, boy, don't stop. Take Christian rapping worldwide. God, I would've died if you ain't never came and got me. I keep my head high, I tell myself I'm going in. I don't kick my feet high, cause I know I need some. And I didn't know right, I told myself I needed love. Finally gave my life to God, and I got tired of me love. If you don't look up, then you gon' die, so I'm gon' stay on fire. I like the guy, I didn't know that demons camouflage, that's just how it is. Sometimes, I know that I'm gon' win, it's in my bloodline. My OG said, boy, don't stop. Take Christian rapping worldwide. God, I would've died if you ain't never came and got me. I keep my head high, I tell myself I'm going in. I don't kick my feet high, cause I know I need some. Then I didn't know right, I told myself I needed love. I finally gave my life to God, and I got tired of me. So I don't need a brother, I don't need none. It's just like been away, listen, this crisis is what I'm leaning on. I was out there on my lonely when you came and found me. If it don't help me, I'm gon' say goodbye. If around me, I fall down on my back, I get up. Because I know God. With this Christian rapping, I look up, I'ma go far. Father, I ain't never gon' cold for you, I'm on fire. I don't care about no worldly status, this is real life. I got tired of mixing Sprite, cause this ain't Bill Nye. If you don't look up, then you gon' die, so I'm gon' stay on fire. I like the guy, I didn't know that demons camouflage, that's just how it is. Sometimes, I know that I'm gon' win, it's in my bloodline. No, I got my OG said, boy, don't stop. Take Christian rapping worldwide. God, I would've died if you ain't never came and got me. I keep my head high, I tell myself I'm going in. I don't kick my feet high, cause I know I need some. And I didn't know right, I told myself I needed love. Finally gave my life to God, and I got tired of me love.